Hello, and welcome to a FortiWeb video on GraphQL protection. In this video, we'll focus on FortiWeb's GraphQL protection feature. It safeguards GraphQL APIs by limiting query size, complexity, and resource consumption to defend against malicious queries, signature attacks, and performance bottlenecks. Key features include restrictions on payload size, value length, object depth, and a number of fields or queries in alias or array batches. It also offers controls over introspection queries and fragments to minimize schema exposure. FortiWeb's signature scan is also available in GraphQL protection, providing an additional layer of security by detecting and blocking known attack patterns and vulnerabilities in GraphQL payloads. Let's go over some examples of GraphQL protection in action. Your API expects a GraphQL query to retrieve user information with a specific structure. While real-world implementations may vary, we're using the structure to illustrate different attack scenarios. In our first example, an attacker sends a batch query with an excessive number of fields, attempting to overload the server. This exceeds the expected query size, and FortiWeb blocks the request. In a different case, an attacker sends an introspection query to extract sensitive information about the GraphQL schema, potentially identifying vulnerabilities. FortiWeb provides controls over introspection queries, allowing you to restrict or block them entirely. This minimizes schema exposure and reduces the risk of attackers exploiting schema information. In our final example, an attacker uses fragments to create a highly complex or malicious query, attempting to bypass query complexity limits. FortiWeb enforces strict controls on fragment usage, including restrictions on recursion. If a query exceeds these limits, FortiWeb blocks the request. By leveraging these features, FortiWeb ensures that only well-formed, valid, and secure GraphQL queries are processed by your API, protecting your application from a wide range of GraphQL-based attacks. To sum it up, FortiWeb's GraphQL protection ensures your APIs stay secure and performant by blocking malicious queries, preventing resource overuse, and minimizing schema exposure. With smart limits on query complexity and size, plus signature-based threat detection, it helps protect your GraphQL endpoints from both known attacks and misuse, reducing risk while keeping your services running smoothly. Thank you for watching.